How to post 60 seconds story on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers as well as some amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now go ahead and open up Instagram, and as you might know, usually Instagram, if you wanted to post a story that is up to 60 seconds, it will be splitted apart on several stories. However, with the new Instagram update, you can actually post 60 seconds stories in just one story without it being split up over several ones. So let me show you how. Let's go back and click to add story. And let's add any video from here. Say for example this one. It's longer than 60 seconds, but we just want the first 60 seconds of the video. So if I clicked on it, you will see that Instagram here tells you that how to see saved reels on Facebook. And that's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers that you might be interested in. So yeah, it's that easy and simple. Just upload your story as you usually do, and it will be uploaded like a normal regular story. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload 1 minute long or 60 seconds long stories on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.